Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly, and I just wanted to do a last video on the PAC coin redemption. This is the old PAC wallet. It says redemption, okay? And you will see that I sent a trial amount, and I also sent the remainder once the trial amount went through. And I want to show you success. It actually went through perfectly. So let me give you some timelines so you'll know. The trial amount, excuse me, the trial amount was sent on 5/27 at around close to midnight, and these showed up in the new wallet called the PAC Core wallet. These showed up around 9:41 a.m. the next day. Okay, so a little under 12 hours. This amount here, I sent these on 5/28 at around 12:24 p.m. and they showed up on 5/29 a little bit before noon. So these took almost about 24 hours for these ones to go through, whereas the trial amount took a little less than 12 hours. So I did want to let you know that, okay? So make sure you check out this video right here, because I actually showed here the sent transaction. I was able to see it or screenshot it because I'm doing a video, but make sure you also, if you still have to do yours, take note of that, because just in case anything happens, if I remember correctly, the PAC team said that they would make sure they got you your coins or reimbursed you your coins in case something happened. But that's why you always want to take screenshots of everything, okay? And that's another reason why you want to do the trial coins first. Make sure those go through and then send the remainder as well, okay? So please check out this video, redemption part 1, okay, because I go through the steps step by step by step by step. I don't want anybody to lose their coins. I want everybody to go through this process, and I want to see everybody on the other side happy and successful. This has been a challenging, but it's been a good learning experience. I've learned a lot about wallets, and I've learned a lot about computers because I'm not a techie person. So I've learned a lot about how to do stuff, how to set things up. I taught myself a lot just in dealing with this PAC redemption. But I'm happy I did go through everything, because I know that much more now and I can help other people. All right, so anyway, I just wanted to make sure that, and the other thing is, make sure that you get this done tonight if you can. Tomorrow is the 31st. Yes, tomorrow's the 31st, and that is the deadline to get your most redemption coins. So it's you get one of the new coins for every 1,000 of the old coins. Okay, so starting June 1st, if you wait till June 1st to do your redemption, you're only going to get one coin for every 2,000 of your old coins. Okay, so that's why it's imperative for you to do it now. And the last thing is to make sure you do it with the Pacific Standard Time, PST to CST time. All right, so make sure that you do your converter, and make sure you're doing it according to, tomorrow will be Thursday, so you're going to be doing it Thursday, the Thursday date, the Thursday address, the Thursday address. All right, so again, make sure you watch this video, because I show everything along the way. I might even let me see, is it right here? Here it is. Perfect. Okay, so as you can see, there are specific addresses for every single day. So tomorrow will be Thursday. So make sure you go to this site here and you highlight, copy, and paste the Thursday address. Okay. All right. So if you have any questions, go ahead and shoot them in, and I'll try to make sure I watch this very frequently tonight and tomorrow, just in case anybody has some questions that I hopefully will be able to answer, so that we can get your coins redeemed in time. All right, and for those who've already done it, let me know everything went well. I'm excited, I'm happy, and I'm looking forward to hearing great things from everybody, saying that everything went well, they got their coins, and everybody's happy. All right, you guys take care, and thanks for being on this awesome journey. It's been challenging, but it's great, and it's over. All right, take care now. Bye-bye. Copy that.